I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by importing images and getting the app ready. Open Genius Photo Editor, grant permission to your photos, then pick 120 images to work on. Once done, confirm autosave is off if you want manual control, or turn it on to preserve originals automatically. Make sure to create a backup copy first. This protects your edits. Now you have images loaded and a safe copy. Let's move into precise edits and creative tools for the next steps. You'll tackle detailed edits with layers and selective tools. Start by cropping to the right aspect ratio, then add an adjustment layer for exposure and contrast so edits stay non-destructive. Once that's set, apply a filter layer and lower its opacity to blend effects smoothly. Use the selective brush to fix small areas, paint where you need more clarity or warmth. Finally, add text or overlays on a separate layer and group related layers so you can toggle changes easily. You'll finish by exporting and checking final quality. Choose JPEG for web, PNG for transparency, or TIFF for high fidelity, and set quality between 60 and 100% depending on file size needs. Once exported, verify colors and sharpness on a second device. If you plan to reuse settings, save a preset and use batch export to process multiple photos quickly. If something goes wrong, app crashes, or missing edits, clear the app cache. Restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.